Hello Quillers, this is Agnes and today's tutorial is on making a quilled hat keychain. Watch till the end of the video to have another idea using the same hat. For the supplies, we need 3 mm wide strip of grass green and black, 5 mm wide strip of gold and dark green cardstock. The green of the cardstock and the green of the paper strips should match each other. Cut the cardstock to 2 cm or 3/4 inch wide strips. You will need 2 of them. As cardstock is hard to manage, I tame the paper and then I roll them into tight coils with small hole in. Now take an object like pen that is smaller than the size of the tight coil we made and we are going to make a tight coil around it. Seal both sides of the coil with glue so that they are firm and maintain the shape. Join 5 strips of green, stacking with some space between each strips so they are not bulky when we make them into a coil. Roll them around the pen, forming a ring shape. Apply glue to seal the sides. Now it's time to make the belt-like part. You will need gold and black strips. Make 2 slits and cut this similar way on the gold strip. Make an angle cut to slide in the black strip easily. Cut the gold strip as we have drawn and when you are done, we can slide in the black strip through the gold to check whether it works well. If there is any alteration, we can just adjust the cut. When you are satisfied, we can cut it into a rectangular shape. Apply glue and slide in the black to form the buckle of the belt. For the prong of the buckle, cut a thin strip approximately 1 mm wide and glue it to the belt. Glue the belt part to the hat . And then the base of the hat. Now for the keychain part, use an eye pin to make a loop to hold the hat. You will be needing round pliers which is used for jewelry making. And then you can add the keychain part. And now it's done. You can add a toothpick instead to make a cupcake topper. Hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching.